in 2007, I was doing an event in York in the UK. It was a live 3.5-day workshop where people paid $5,000 to attend. They came in with notepad and pen. They were not allowed to use a laptop to do a sales letter. And I went through my entire copywriting process, step by step. They wrote the whole fucking thing out by hand. And then on the last day, put it together. And then they were allowed to type it up and email it to me for a critique. Now, Ted Nicholas heard about this event and offered to come along. And up until then, I was only writing an average of about 50 headlines for every sales letter. And he said, no, it's not enough. Now, he suggests at least 150, right? Now, who here does 10 headlines every time they write copy, or 20? 30? 40? I mean, the old pros don't need to do that many, but I mean, you know, this is how I got good to be able to be where I am now, is just going through that shit and maybe changing a word which segues off into something else and getting all that information, right? Because your headline, the only job of your frickin' copy is to get that headline read and then to get the next sentence read. So if your headline sucks and, you know, people aren't going to read the rest of your copy, what's the fucking point, right? Then when they read the next sentence, again, your copy's got to get them to the next sentence or the next sentence. If they're scrolling through the copy, up or down, and they pull back in somewhere and they read that sentence, again, your copy's got to get them to basically buy your shit.